If the description box is not showing properly in the YouTube app, it is usually caused by a temporary app glitch or corrupted cache files. Here is how you can fix it. First, press and hold the YouTube app icon and open App Info. From there, tap on Force Stop to completely close the app. Next, open Storage and tap on Clear Cache. You can also tap Clear Data if the issue still continues. After that, open the Play Store or App Store and search for YouTube. If you see an update available, install the latest version of the app. If the problem still isn't fixed, uninstall and reinstall the YouTube app completely. Finally, restart your device and reopen YouTube. Once your phone turns back on, open any video and try expanding the description box again. In most cases, the description section should now appear normally. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.